Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and opening Bing Image Creator so you can actually generate images. Once signed in, set your intent, commercial or personal, and choose an aspect ratio like 16:9 or 1:1. Make sure you have any reference images ready and a short list of keywords and constraints. Start with a clear seed prompt that states subject, style, mood, and color palette. This first focused prompt shapes every result that follows. Now you refine prompts to steer the generator toward usable images. Begin with a concise core, subject, style, and 3 strong modifiers like lighting, lens, and mood, then expand with details such as textures or composition. Once you get a render, iterate. Swap adjectives, tighten constraints, or add negative terms to exclude artifacts. Make small adjustments and rerun because each change clarifies what you want. Also compare variations and upscale the best candidate to preserve detail when necessary. Finish by exporting your chosen image at the highest available resolution and saving alternate variants. This preserves options for editing. Once saved, you can batch generate additional alternatives and perform final touch-ups in an external editor for color correction or retouching. If you encounter strange artifacts, simplify your prompt and remove conflicting descriptors, or switch to a different art style to reset the model's behavior. If problems persist, restart the session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.